Hi everybody, Joel for BVN Realty. We're at Roca Reina, Villa Roca Reina. We're still working on my Spanish, so it's rolling off the tongue really well now. This is a one-bedroom apartment, but it's also got an option to add 2 more bedrooms that are on a lower level. We'll quickly walk through this apartment so you can see what I'm talking about. So we've got a virtually private entrance. We've got a very large bedroom. We can fit a king-size bed, or we can make these into 2 smaller beds. Each unit has its own little private bathroom. We've got a walk-in shower, we've got a flush toilet and sink, and hot water as well in this unit. There's some extra storage space just behind me, and we've got a little private terrace for the main bedroom. We are only truly about 300 feet to the Pacific Ocean in the Bay of San Juan del Sur. We've got another nice little view of the mountains here with this external window, and we'll come into the living space. In the living space, the unit comes fully furnished. We've got a couch, and we've got a simple kitchen, but this is San Juan del Sur, so you want to be outside, going to the restaurants and that kind of thing. But we do have a sink, we've got a burner stove, we've got a very large refrigerator. We've got looking out towards the city center of San Juan del Sur, we've got a couple of bar stools. We've got another big table in the center, and 2 different vantage points for the deck. So let's just go out and have a look at the deck. It's quite an amazing view. Absolutely incredible view. We've got San Juan del Sur over to where I'm pointing over here. We can see the city center. It's a beautiful walk around the Crescent Bay. And we've got a big, huge condo complex beside us here, one of the more sought after locations. So location, location, location. This is a great little unit. And as I mentioned in the video at the beginning, there are 2 available bedrooms just below this unit. So it rents for a 1-bedroom, but we do have an option to add a 2nd bedroom and a 3rd bedroom for an additional cost. We'll provide all those details at the end of this listing. Thanks for watching, and we'll show you another great property next time.